Hey, do you have a small YouTube channel and you want to start earning money in 2025? Well, you don't need thousands of subscribers to make your first income. In this video, I will show you 5 ways that a small channel can do to earn money. Well, let's dive in. The first way is the YouTube Partner Program. You need to be part of YouTube program. Normally, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour to apply it. But even as a small channel, you can start preparing focus on creating content that people want to watch and enable monetization as soon as you watch the requirements. Remember, ads pay per view, so more view is equal to more money. Okay, make sure you understand that. The second way is affiliate marketing. You don't need a large audience for this. To join affiliate program like Amazon, ClickBank, or local product, then share link in your video descriptions. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. A small channel can make $100 this way. Well, the third is do a sponsored videos. A small channel can still get sponsored. Brand want to reach your niche audience, start by reaching out to small companies or local business. Even one sponsored video a month can bring good incomes. You need to put it in mind. Well, the first one is you need to create YouTube shorts. YouTube reward creator for popular short videos. So if you are someone who like to upload short videos, just remember that even if your channel is small, make short engaging content and watch your money grow. Number 5 is selling digital product or service. Well, finally, sell digital product or service. For example, if you teach English, sell PDFs, courses, or private lesson. Even a small channel can earn money if your content help people solve problems. So these are the 5 small channel that the small channel can do to earn money in 2025. Ads, affiliates, marketing, a sponsored video, YouTube short, and selling product. Start with one method and grow from other. Don't forget, that the most important part here that we are trying to get across is, please create a YouTube channel and be consistent in uploading videos. And do not forget that having a good thumbnail on your YouTube channel will help you make more viewers. And more viewers mean more watch hour. And the requirements. The requirements are this. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So if you gain this, on YouTube, the YouTube partner program will allow you to monetize your YouTube channel, and then you will start making money. Okay, but if you don't upload, you're just simply there. You don't want to create contents that are engageable. That people can or that can provide solutions to others. Nobody will watch your videos, and you will never earn anything on YouTube. So make sure that you upload videos, and then something like that. So man gor kono gwada me jiram goro bi yobi ke jeka YouTube gor jeno tem der lat miti ke YouTube taught miti ke ji ke gor jeno der yo der kalat ke jen 2025 me gor jen go bi ngaje no chi ne 1,000 of subscribers chi ko gor man gor ke nyam lungo jin bi video bi goro bi kalat. Okay, ko bi yobi ko le mek man nyam jenene mi jen changa nyam ko ji ko bi YouTube video bi jalat. Okay, as somebody muguro don't they grow they yo they can make a YouTube requirement very important thing ho bi ngaje no gor ke requirement gor ke ji subscriber ti chop ke kit bi kit bi kon jik subscribers, and then gor ke ji 4,000 watch hour la tanti kin dangwan der ga mal je ga long me jira mi mala video la ga mala upload amara den gwazma me dong jira mutrar ti mi chala affiliate marketing dong diri use affiliate marketing la lede je. Okay, diri worker diri affiliate program diri ke jonchet ke Amazon kene ClickBank. ala por dang ni ken buka banaladi ka your video description ka video do. So mi show ka video, for example here, let me go to contents, okay, and then mi show video, mi show click ka ben ka gwada meni, okay, de link de je la gwada men de la somewhere around here. So mi show link de na mi show la link Amazon, don ka amazon.com ke show ka click bank ke show ka local product ko ken che link de che blat ka video meni, and then che te karam ma shi click ka che dwar che jo ko ka kan bank and website to turn it ka Amazon. So from there but commission, so ba mo ke yo, so me ti ka country mo kwa law na mo e masino deri yo deri ka je diodian gwasame te mishala sponsored videos, okay, gwadame de ji jogananu ba video du ko don miti ka audience, you know, the reconnecting content dong to ka company ga jogono ta ka video mo gwa button tele subscriber no ga tele viewer, so mi shikane no gono share kam video do no shikane ola ka channel in, so mi cha video cha guji ne one in return be ken mo ko yo, so mi cha video mi cha sponsor ka kel ka pai dire nen darin kam gwa dare jino but ka tana telet ka kon telet, so gor jeno bi ngach. And number 4 gwasame wo bi ngajen wo ne take commercial ka YouTube shorts fun gwada men YouTube short me lede jenen mishi video ntam mi la short me take 5 seconds 6 seconds 10 seconds 30 seconds ke 40 seconds mishi upload gwas men, okay, take mo gwa me dere rejecten la YouTube shorts gor ka ji viewer cho ka 10 million, okay, so mishi ka lat ka to shi take 10 million views YouTube we can allow no be YouTube short we monetize. So from there you will start making money. Number 5 gwatame selling digital product or services. Okay, la do dana der product ko online keje, you know. Ashire mi dong jira mala ngi tung nat ki ngi tung nori ki ngi to kawaini ki te ko kente koki. Okay, online ki dong ti ko private lesson. Many small channel wo point there you there keje ko de jelo kan to. As long as you are providing a solution to any problem jira mo money then there you there can make, okay, so ka de kon ngenta ma ka de to go ko de YouTube channel there woniam da ja ko bi yobi kalat, you know, mishika go men gore longwa me ki men go long no de ngach o jin bi jin consistent ketin kon la de bi video en bu ka mala upload ni cha goro jin believe no there and there je kon jogo wede nene ki lana men you need to upload more videos. So mitiga video to one being no my channel betede be grow. Let's say it ka channel gwas men tam no take 248 ko kor gwas pa yo take 247. So me jira mun no go don bi yo bi can make, you know, you need to be consistent jen ta dan the many YouTube channel bo betede be grow mere yen bo lam ja go no mishi YouTube video mishi upload no bi mo ka title mo go title go mo jen ba kule click. So me your audience don't chicken take YouTube take ka Facebook shit my audience don't take ka Facebook, what you do billing be can be your post ka ka Facebook do na me be you look be channel be jaga ku grow, so go region o bi michir na me bi ngach cause den do dana ku channel ku grow ka je and lan du ka yo ku YouTube channel go lan mi di che lan method, so me jin ram mo dong la ma jin lazy strategy patient, so chi de grow men bu ngaje longwa de me. The more video you are uploading, quality, especially quality videos, and then the more viewer to be jack. Ka viewer to one can watch out. Okay, come take a video to go to the cool problem, provide cool solution, provide to the problem. A must know but take a name to be subscribe to your YouTube channel. So you make sure you follow all the tip Kanwar online tech guatemala. So ajan dana gorno de nyaka yekel ene nyaka jeni ko ken ban nyo je umro dien biatamal.